There is speculation about a possible patch-up between warring former allies, the Shiv Sena and the BJP, though there have been denials from the alliance parties. However, Maharashtra's leader of opposition, Devendra Fadnavis, said recently that the Shiv Sena is not an enemy.
आमच्यात शत्रुत्व नव्हतंच ना कधी. शत्रू थोडी आहोत आम्ही. आमचे वैचारिक मतभेद झाले कारण आमचा हात सोडून आमच्यासोबत निवडून आलेले आमचे मित्र आमचा हात सोडून ज्यांच्या विरुद्ध निवडून आले त्यांचा हात पकडून निघून गेले. त्याच्यामुळे मतभेद उभे झाले ना. ते काही धुऱ्याचा वाद थोडी आहे की म्हणजे सुधीर भाऊचा धुरा काही उद्धवजीच्या धुऱ्याला लागून आहे आणि त्यांनी यांच्या धुऱ्यावर काही अतिक्रमण केलं असं नाही आहे. त्याच्यामुळे हा काही आमचा धुऱ्याचा वाद नाही आहे किंवा आमचं कुठलंही शत्रुत्व नाही आहे. पण वैचारिक मतभेद आहेतच.
Well, let's go back to Purva for more on that. So, Purva, that statement by Devendra Fadnavis saying the Shiv Sena is not the enemy, only adding to all the speculation around this possible patch-up.
Yes, definitely. In fact, even today, the BJP state president Chandrakant Patil also said that, yes, we are not enemies, but that doesn't mean we will be forming the government. We will once again patch up. So, this is also coming from the state BJP president Chandrakant Patil. So, on record, nobody is confirming on this news, but yes, there are speculations because the BJP has said that they are not enemies. Then that meeting between CM Uddhav Thackeray and PM Modi, that in fact started and led to these speculations that whether there are some agreements or backdoor, whether the BJP and Shiv Sena will once again come together, they will patch. But the CM-ship is something that is the bone of contention right now, because that is the CM-ship. That is something that on which Sena and BJP parted ways. So once again, if at all they need to come together, then they have to solve these issues as well. But of course, on record, Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi partners, the Congress, NCP, as well as Shiv Sena, has said that they are not coming together. There is no arrangement which is changing. It is in fact BJP who is using the central agencies to put pressure on these partners. This is what the Shiv Sena and the NCP has alleged. But definitely on record, nobody is commenting on it, but the speculations are in fact going up because of the statements, frequent statements which are coming from BJP camp as well as the other camps.
All right, Purva, thanks so much for joining us with those details. Well, staying with this story about this possible patch-up and talks taking place between the BJP and Shiv Sena. In fact, NDTV has learned from BJP sources there's an indication that talks are taking place between the two parties for some time, and there are reports of a possible deal where the two may come back together. But let's go across to Akhilesh for more details on that. And Akhilesh, the chief ministership remains a sticking point. There's been speculation that perhaps Fadnavis will be shifted to Delhi, but he has denied that. So what are you hearing?
Well, Gargi, there's no smoke without fire, and of course the fire is there. It has been simmering for quite some time. As Purva has correctly mentioned, that it started after Uddhav Thackeray had a private meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi when he came to meet to give a representation on the Maratha reservation issue. And after that, there have been constant talks between the BJP and Shiv Sena leaders behind the curtains. We know that a Shiv Sena senior MLA has written a letter to Uddhav Thackeray saying that BJP and Shiv Sena should come together. And of course, a few days back, Sanjay Raut had a meeting with Ashish Shelar. So all these things are happening. Of course, Devendra Fadnavis remains a contender for the chief ministership, and he himself ruling out that he is not a contender to become cabinet minister in Delhi, and he is not likely to go there. So he remains there in Maharashtra politics, and that becomes a key issue between BJP and Shiv Sena, because this was the breaking point. And when Shiv Sena insisted that chief ministership should go to the Shiv Sena and not to the BJP, but BJP says that yes, Shiv Sena and BJP should come together. They have an organic alliance, and the workers of the both parties, they feel that both parties should come together. But this remains the key point, because BJP says that it has got more than almost double number of MLAs than Shiv Sena. So why should it surrender chief ministership to Shiv Sena? And as far as Uddhav Thackeray's ambition to become chief minister was concerned, the ambition has been fulfilled. And now the working of the government, this Mahavikas Aghadi government, is very clear that various leaders are facing corruption charges. Central agencies are after them. So of course the Shiv Sena workers and MLAs, they are feeling uncomfortable in this alliance. So they should come back. And there's another point, Gargi, which is the next year there are 10 Mahanagarpalika elections are due in Maharashtra, and for Shiv Sena, Mumbai and Thane, these two Mahanagarpalika are very crucial, and Shiv Sena can win these two Nagarpalikas only in the alliance with the BJP. So this may be another reason why Shiv Sena may come back to the BJP's fold. But yes, of course, the sticking point remains of the chief ministership. Also, there are reports that Uddhav can continue as chief minister and BJP can have two deputy chief ministers. But BJP says this is not possible because BJP is a larger party and it has to be given that chief ministership post. So this is one point. Another point from Shiv Sena point of view is that why should Shiv Sena trust BJP? Because we know that how a midnight coup was staged by the BJP and Ajit Pawar was brought in to BJP's fold. So Shiv Sena, how can it trust the BJP? This is another point.
All right. So Akhilesh, sources indicating talks are on, but clearly many sticking points, and we'll continue to track all those developments.